love you, darling. Come and go with me. Please don't send me way beyond the sea. I need you, darling. So come go with me.
Welcome to the Car Guy channel. We got a show that's fantastic this week because I'm bringing up a lot of new things, projects we've been working on, bringing you up to speed on the 1956 Chevrolet Nomad and the new project we're building, which is the 1959 Lincoln convertible retro rod. This is a 1959 Lincoln Mark IV convertible. Now, they're extremely rare. The body style is extremely rare because the back window of the car is actually called a breezeway. The back window is kind of tilted and kind of goes at the back of an angle. So when the back window comes down, that's how the air comes into the car. Now, being a 59 Lincoln, these were extremely expensive in their day. And we had a decision to make, and the decision to make was make this car here a retro rod. Yes, make this car look like a 1959 Lincoln. We're not going to change any bottom modifications. We're going to keep the car kind of a nice, soft yellow. I mean, we call it sunfire yellow. Very, very soft color. It's absolutely spectacular. Very nice. We've already done the engine compartment already. We've already cleaned all the frame. It took days of scraping and cleaning all the frame. We're going to paint the whole underneath of the car. We're going rear disc brake, front disc brakes. We're going to Chevy 350, Chevy automatic, and we're going fuel injection. Let's talk 1956 Chevrolet Nomad station wagon. I'm telling you, this project here, this has been absolutely fantastic to do. And doing this car here for Doug, Doug's been really patient. A lot of timing we have to work with, especially with our type of shop and how it gets done. But I'm telling you, we're very, very pleased. And I know Estelle's going to run across a lot of pictures that you really need to see on this particular project. You're only getting just a fraction of the pictures of all the work that was done. Most of our work in this car right here has been rust. Rust has been the killer on this particular project. You get started into it, you get digging into an area, and then there's rust. And then you get an area done. We've taken a grinder and went over the whole complete car and brought this whole car down to the metal. And when you see some of the pictures of some of the areas that's been totally rotted, you got to come up and say, how do they do that? We have to manufacture. We buy a lot of equipment that actually can do sheet metal remanufacturing. You get Ed and you get Raul. Raul has done a phenomenal job on remanufacturing and bending and shaping a lot of the metal for the car you're going to see pictures of. And to paint a two-tone car, it's twice the work. And I know you're sitting back going, what's the difference? I want my car two-tone and put stripes on it. Well, not like it used to be in the old days. You have to make sure that all the stages are done on this car down to the clear coat. You don't got to color sand and polish it, but now I got the primer sealer, the paint, and now I got the clear on the car. Now the car is clear because tape will not stick to paint on water-based paints. Keep that in mind when you're doing a job like this. So now we can tape the car to put on the second two-tone. Second two-tone in this car right here is going to be a brilliant silver. It's absolutely stunning color silver. It's going to be on the car. It'll be in black with the silver striping, silver top, silver back of the car. We'll take you back there in a second to give you an idea how the two-tone works on it. But again, it's like you're redoing the whole job second time again, the whole process.
Well, I love you, darling. Come and go.